take a spatula and give them a few smart smacks. Boom, boom. One more. Okay. Hi, I'm Dorie Greenspan, and I'm in the kitchen at Food 52, a place I love to be. And today I'm making English muffins. I know you can buy them, but they're so much fun to make at home. You get that great feeling of satisfaction of having made something that you would normally buy. Also, homemade English muffins are better, just saying. First, let's mix the liquid ingredients. So it's water, milk, and some oil. Give them a little whisking. And then I'm sure that someone has made English muffins without a stand mixer, but it's a lot of beating. I don't want to be that person. So it's all the flour in the bowl, and then a little bit of sugar and some salt. Just get it started very low. All you're doing here is mixing the flour, salt, and sugar together. Once it's mixed, you can put the yeast in. I'm using dry instant yeast that doesn't need to be proofed ahead of time. Still on low, I'm gonna add the dry ingredients. Boop. No, we're gonna add the wet ingredients. It's fun to watch it come together. Just going a little higher to pull all the dry ingredients into a mass. When it comes together and you can almost hear it slapping, raise the speed and you don't go anywhere. You need to stay close because, well, this is a really solid machine, but it's going to be spinning and spinning and slapping this dough around, and you just don't want it to jiggle itself off the counter. So you can see how different this is. And I did have to hold on to this. If you noticed, it was about to run away. Look at how pretty that is. Our work here is almost done for a while. The dough just needs to go into a buttered bowl. It's got this wonderful stretch and it's nice. Okay, and then turn it over to get the underside buttered. And your fingers. I should have been neater, but oh well. There. It gets covered. I can't resist playing. Wait, let me just, it's so nice. It gets covered with a towel. You can stop playing now for 60 minutes. Have a good nap. Bum-ba-da-dum-bum-bum. Look at how it's changed. It's so pretty. So it needs to be deflated. And, oh, it feels so, everything about it has changed. This is the magic of baking, the magic of yeast. It's really soft and almost satiny, velvety now. So just fold it over on itself to deflate it. And now it needs more rest, a lot more. So cover it, put it in the refrigerator for 3 hours or even for overnight. It can't stay forever, but overnight it will develop more flavor and just a teensy touch of sourness, which is really nice in a muffin. This is our cold, this is so pretty, cold, rested overnight dough. Just turned it out onto a floured surface. I'm just gonna put some, this is actually coarse polenta, on a parchment sheet. Okay, get 12 English muffins. So I'm gonna go, yep. So I need 6. Sticky business. This is actually my favorite part of English muffining. You want to make balls out of each little round of dough. So I'm working on an unfloured surface and just cupping my hand and going round. This actually feels great. Round and round and round, keeping my thumb. This is always hard to explain, but you can watch it. So cupped, and then your thumb kind of pushes the dough around in a circle. There. Okay, so while you're spinning around with your cupped fingers, you want to press down a little bit. So you put some pressure on the ball as you're turning it. And then as it gets rounder, you can feel it rising up. And then you can cup your fingers a little bit higher. And now for another rest. Just going to cover them again, leave them at room temperature for about 40 minutes or so. It's time to make the muffins. And actually, they're not baked. So English muffins are like a flatbread. They're made on a griddle. And so I've got this griddle, I've warmed it, just lightly buttered. And now, oh, these are so nice and light. They're beautiful. Okay, I'll make 3 to start. Put them cornmeal side down. Just gonna cover these while they wait. And then take a spatula and give them a few smart smacks. Boom, boom. It's kind of fun. One more, okay. And they need to griddle for about 7 minutes. They get flipped over, boom, and given another little 3 or 8. It's just so much fun. It probably was down enough, but oh, they're so pretty. 1, 2, 3. Okay, they need another 7 minutes. Almost breakfast. But the thing about English muffins is they're not ready to eat now. It's always so tempting to eat something warm out of the oven or off the griddle, but these are not fully baked. They're made to be baked in the toaster. So we have to wait, let them cool just a little bit, and then finish their baking. Now to finish baking the muffins. There, nice. Yes. Whew. There we go. They're adorable. They're very homemade, and that's pretty wonderful. Love that sound. Just a little jam. I know it's silly, but I'm kind of so proud of myself. I made English muffins. I think you'll feel that way too. Also, they're delicious. They have just a tiny, tiny little bit of tang from having rested overnight. This was fun. So, oh, please like us. Please subscribe to the Food 52 channel. You can get the recipe for these English muffins either in my new book, Baking with Dorie, or on Food 52. And we'll be back again, baking together. Can't wait.